This video, we're gonna focus on the outside shoulders, right? So you see yourself in this video. Look at how your shoulder is moving relative to the boat that's going forward, right? So basically, what I'm seeing with everybody is that the shoulders move back quicker than the boat's moving forward, which means that the paddles are not secured up front. So we look at Heather right here, right? Once the tip of a paddle touches the surface of the water, her outside shoulder starts to pull back. Blade gets a little negative, right? So Heather, try pause this video or put it into slow motion and catch yourself where your blade's fully buried and take a look at the paddle angle. And that goes for everybody as well, right? If you catch yourself in this video, try find the moment where your blade's fully buried and observe your paddle angle. All right, so let's take a look at Aisha over here, right? She's a good example where she's pulling her paddle back to her seat. So observe her upper body, observe her outside shoulder, right? It's being pulled past her seat, right? A little too far back. Right? She needs to get the paddle fully buried up front, get deeper, right? Her shoulder wants to go deeper and more and forward, and let your hip move up to the paddle. Right, Tori, right, hips are moving, right, expand that range of motion, increase that range of motion, coming down just a little too soon as well, right, just have a little bit more patience on the catch, wait for your blade to be fully buried, apply some downward pressure, maintain that pressure, and then rotate your hips towards the paddle. Right, Liz, I'd like to see a little more rotation from you. And same thing, right? Just coming down a little too soon. Have a little more patience on the catch. Make sure it's fully buried, and then rotate your hips towards the paddle. Right, Val, right? Same thing, right? By the time your paddle's buried, you're at the neutral angle, right? Get the paddle buried a little quicker. Apply some downward pressure. Maintain that pressure as you rotate your hips towards the paddle. Right? Try to get your body weight on top of the paddle. Heidi, right? Not bad. A little stuck at the back at the exit, Heidi, right? I don't know if you just watch how your paddle is stuck at the back. Initiate your exit a little sooner and slow down the recovery. Hips are moving well, very nice. Nice rotation. Heidi's got really good rotation. Amy, right? Similar to Aisha. Upper body just moving back a little too quickly. Try relax the shoulders, Amy. Right, once your paddle's fully buried up front, right, leave your upper body up front. Right, rotate your inside hip towards the paddle. Right, try relax the shoulders. It's easier said than done, ladies. It's very hard to relax the shoulders. Right, a lot is happening, but try and focus on relaxing. if that makes any sense. Susanna is the happiest paddler. I don't know if you catch her paddling. She always has a smile on her face. Right, looks good. Hips are moving, very nice. But same thing, right? I like to see you put a little bit more weight on the blade. Try lean on the paddle. Right, but hips are rotating, is very nice. Right, patience on the catch. Right, Lauren, you need to find a little bit more balance on the left side of your body, right? Your left shoulder. I want you to focus on trying to lean on the paddle using your outside shoulder. Right now, as your paddle touches the surface, you start to pull back, and therefore you've lost. It looks like you've lost support. Remember, ladies, the paddle is a tool to help you support your body weight on water. So use it as such, right? It's a stick. It helps you support your body weight. And that's what you got to use it for. So, right, you look at Lauren right here. She's got really nice reach, but then she's not leaning, she's not using the paddle to support herself. Therefore, she's always kind of pulling water back. If you watch her outside shoulder, it's just moving back and forth. I need to see it a little more still once it's up front. Right? Once you go for the catch, your shoulder is up front, it just goes deeper. It doesn't move back. Right? It's your inside hip that rotates towards the shoulder's position, your outside shoulder's position. Right, so same thing, Amy. Watch your shoulder. It's just back and forth. Try keep it forward. All right, and I think a paddle might be a little too long. Same for Aisha. Anyway, I'm Dave. I'm out. Thanks for watching.